my Tuesday morning office today. I just wanted to show you this plant here. It's quite tall and it's covered in bees that are pollinating it. I mean, there's loads on here. It's very hard to see because it's kind of high up and it's hard to point the camera at all these bees. The flies, hoverflies, like this massive, don't know what that is there, hoverfly type thing. But there's loads of bees, bumblebees, there's all sorts up here. Anyway, that's one thing. We've also got my echium. It's my big tall one. It's probably 12-15 foot tall. They're mostly bumblebees on the very top of it, and then the honeybees further down. Although today there's actually loads of bumblebees on there. It's been flowering for probably a month, maybe 5 weeks now. There's a bumblebee there and a honeybee next to it. The garden itself, I'll carry on a minute, hang on. Nice big bumblebee there, feeding on this one. There's lots of that purple growing, and this that produces black seed, very nice. There's a nice light coloured foxglove there. There's lots of bees on that. Cistus over there, it's got the pinky flowers with the bright orange centre. There's more foxgloves. The azalea is finished now. It's just going over. There's these that are just coming into flower. Penstemons, pink and blue. There's all these little ones. These are a type of geranium, cranesbill geranium. There's Californian poppies. These ones haven't been pollinated yet because you can see the stamen are still all standing up. When they've been pollinated they go like that, and they kind of fall down and go brown. Got lots of foxgloves in this field. Call this a fuchsia bed because there's loads of fuchsias in the bed itself, and there's hydrangeas, camellias, bay. There's all different things. We've got a few yuccas in here. That one's going into flower. We've got this stuff down here. I can't remember what it's called, but it's got lots of little upright flowers on it. It's quite pretty. There's an elephant ears. It's a type of begonia. There's another geranium that's going over now. More foxgloves in the back garden. There's loads of these. There don't seem to be many bees on them. Lots of poppies. Again, you can tell the ones that haven't been pollinated because all the petals or the stamen are up, and the ones that have been pollinated, the stamen are down. An escallonia hedge, you know, the bees tend to lick the sticky substance at the bottom of the flower, but they don't really feed on the flower itself. It's quite bizarre. And there's loads of cookie spit on this plant, as you can see, and I've taken you through to show you that it's a leaf hopper or a frog hopper that feed on the sap of the plant and produce the foam to protect themselves. Again, there's more foxgloves. These ones are kind of yellowy. I presume they're hybridised. Got red poppies. There's lots of the things that produce black seed. There's the seed pod as well. I've just covered the gooseberries over because the birds eat them, and so the animals. And then over here, there's lots more of these. There's a bee in there covered in pollen. Little heads covered in pollen, and there's tons of them, and then there's tons of these blue weeds as well, purpley blue weeds. They're very pretty though. And then there's these, and these are marshmallows, mallow plant. If you are a beekeeper, then grow these in your garden. They produce an awful lot of pollen, a lot of nectar, and bees go in one colour and come out white. Tuesday morning office. Cheers. On pollinating the foxgloves. Just trying to get you to see right inside. Look. Goes from flower to flower. Beautiful. Look at the garden bumblebee.